guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be testing out a bunch of Wet n Wild's new releases that they just came out with. I have the stick foundation, the new highlighter, the new bronzer, the new lipsticks. I just got a few of the new releases. These are the only ones that I could find at my Target. I didn't get like the liquid eyeshadows or anything like that, but if you guys want to see me testing out those products, definitely leave a comment down below and I will do that for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing me testing out some new Wet n Wild products, then go ahead and just keep on watching. The first product that I have to test out today is going to be the Wet n Wild Photofocus Coconut 3-in-1 Priming Water. And this is a 3-in-1 primer, so it's going to prep, set, and refresh. So I'm just going to go ahead and spritz this on my face. And it smells amazing. It smells exactly like coconut, kind of a little bit like SPF. It reminds me of like the beach. So I really like the scent on this. We'll see how well the foundation applies over it. And next I have to test out the Wet n Wild Photofocus Stick Foundation. I got the shade Porcelain. So I think I'm going to kind of work in sections on my face. I'm going to do half of my face blending it out with a brush and then the other half using a sponge just to see which one I like better. So I'm going to start off on this side. And I will be blending this out with the brush. I think it blended out pretty nicely with a brush. I do see a few spots that I need to go back over and kind of build up because it kind of left it a little sparse in areas. This foundation is very nice and easy to blend out though. It's very creamy. It did a nice job of covering up my redness on my face as well. Not bad so far, and now that I have it blended out, it doesn't feel like anything on my face at all. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy. And I'm going to put some on this side of my face. I'm going to blend it out with this brand new EcoTools sponge that I found at Target. This one, it says that it's infused with microbial silver. So it says that it's supposed to keep your sponge cleaner, fresher for longer. So I thought that was really interesting. So I'm going to use this sponge to blend out this side of my foundation. I think I definitely like the side with the brush just a little bit better. It gave me more coverage, I do think. Let me just quickly build it up again on this side to see if there's any changes at all. It was definitely easier to blend it out with the brush. Actually, I take that back. After I built it up with the sponge, it looks good on both sides. I think I do want to just kind of smooth over the brush side with this sponge just to get rid of any any brush strokes from the brush. But all in all, no matter which one you use, it blends out pretty much the same. It works well with either one, so I don't really have a preference. I'm more of a sponge type of person with foundations, so I might just use a sponge, but I like a good brush every now and again, so this one you can use either one with and it'll be fine. The foundation is looking very smooth on my skin. It doesn't feel like anything. It's not tacky at all. The foundation itself doesn't really smell like anything, which for that I am grateful for, because the liquid Photofocus foundation smells like paint and I absolutely hate the smell of that one, so I do not like that at all. This one, however, doesn't smell like anything, so I'm a fan of this. We'll see if it wears well. Can't do any check-ins, unfortunately, because I do have some things that I have to do tonight, but I will update you in this description box how it wore on me. Okay, so I am quickly going to do my concealer, powder, my eyeshadow, and brows off camera really quick, and then I will come back and test out the rest of these products with you guys. Alright, and I'm back, and for concealer I used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 8. I set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Fair Light Powder. And I did my brows with the Physicians Formula Brow Last Long Wear Brow Gel. And I used this Wet n Wild Quad and Walking on Eggshells on my eyes. And then I also put on some blush. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Vintage Rouge. So now we can go ahead and move on to our next new product by Wet n Wild. I have two of their new bronzers. I have one in Ticket to Brazil and the other one in Palm Beach Ready. These are the only two that my Target had, so we're gonna see if these will work for me or not. This Ticket to Brazil, it looks very beautiful, but when I swatch it, it looks very, very light. It looks light even for my skin tone. And this Palm Beach Ready looks like it is a little bit deeper, but it just has like a lot of shimmers in it. So I think I'm going to start off with Ticket to Brazil just to kind of see what it looks like, see if it is light on me or not, or if it looks too orangey, because that's what it definitely looks like. I think it did a little bit of bronzing. I am going to just take this Palm Beach Ready and I'm just going to use a tad bit of this one just to see if that does anything. Yeah, I think I really actually like the two bronzers mixed. I think it looks very nice on me. The Ticket to Brazil kind of tones down the shimmer in this one, so mixing them is actually very good. I really love the formula on these two. Like, it created a nice bronzy glow effect, so I'm liking these so far. And next I'm going to be trying out this loose highlighter in I'm So Lit. This is just a nice champagne-y color, and I love the fact that it has like a little sifter on here. Ooh. And I was right. It's stunning. It's so beautiful. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. I might have put just a little bit too much on, but I mean, can you ever really have too much highlight? way too much on my chin. Ooh, I love this. I just look like a glowing goddess now. It's so pretty. So beautiful. I think this is my new favorite highlighter. This is so, so, so beautiful. And now I don't exactly know if this is new or not. Actually, I don't think it is new. It just says that it has a new look and a new formula. But this is the Mega Volume Mascara. And it says that it's just a volumizing mascara that intensifies and thickens lashes. This is what the wand looks like right there. It looks like it has potential to be good. We'll see how it applies on the eyes. This is a drier formula, so it's taking a little bit to build up on my lashes. And do I think that this is the best mascara that I've ever used? No, it's not, but it is a decent one and it gets the job done in a pinch, and this was very affordable. I think it was like $2.99 or something like that. So, I mean, if you have to, it is an option for you. And the last products that I have to try on are these Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. So basically these have the pigment of a lipstick but the shine of a gloss. So I have 3 different colors here. I have one in Cedar Later, Scent Nudes, and Devil's Advocate. And these are the 3 shade swatch: Cedar Later, Scent Nudes, and Devil's Advocate. I'm in love with all 3 of these colors so much. I think I just want to try on a nude one, so I'm going to go with Cedar Later. And the wand on this, you can see it is a doe foot, but it looks like it's going to hug the lip. So I'm super interested in seeing how this applies. I was definitely right. This does hug the lip super nicely. I love this applicator. Definitely hands down the best applicator ever. I love this thing. You can get such a precise, clean line on the lips. I'm in love with this. I really want to just put a little bit of this Scent Nudes in the middle of my lips just to kind of give it like an ombre effect. That did a little something. Ooh, I really like the formula on these too. These are amazing. I need to get like every color of these. These look so good. I'm super impressed by all of the products that I tried here today. Well, all of them except for this mascara. This mascara was not so great. But other than that, I am super impressed. Ooh, I'm quickly going to set my face with the coconut water again. Yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!